Hi friends, today I will tell you really first method to multiply any two-digit number by two-digit number. The traditional standard method is too long to solve. Whether you are in a school or preparing for your competitive exam, you always come with this type of multiplication. In first case, I will tell you how to multiply the two numbers when sum of units place digits is 10 and tens place digits are same. Let us take two numbers 72 and 78. Here units place digits are 2 and 8. We see that 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Look, sum of units place digit is 10. Here 2 plus 8 equal to 10. 8 and 2 are 2 units place digit. And we see that tens place digits are same, here 7 and 7. Now see the trick. First draw two lines here and multiply 2 units digit 2 and 8, that is 16. Put 16 in the right side. Now for these two sevens we multiply 7 and its next number 7 plus 1, that is 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56. Put 56 here. Let me tell you again. Multiply 2 and 8 first. Write 16 in the right side. And for the same number 7, we multiply 7 into 7 plus 1, that is 8. 7 into 8, 7 8s are 56. Write it in the left side. Here we are done with simple and quick multiplication. For next example, take 59 into 51. Multiply 9 and 1, that is 9. Note that we put 09 here. And next, for number 5, we multiply 5 into 6. 5 into 6 is 30. Put here in the left side. Again for the next number 38 into 32, we multiply 8 and 2 again, that is 16. Put here. And for the same tens digit, we multiply 3 and its next number 4. 3 into 4, that is 12. We will put 12 in the left side. Now just go for next multiplication, 83 into 87. As I said, multiply 3 into 7, that is 21. And for tens digit equals number, we put 8 into 9, that is 72. Just put it here. Now go for another number, another multiplication, 98 into 92. Multiply 8 and 2, that is 16, and 9 into 10, that is 90. Put it here, 90. Our multiplication is done. Now I will tell you the second case. It is just opposite of case 1. See here, when sum of tens place digit is 10 and units place digits are same or equal. Let us multiply 29 into 89. Here units place digit are equal, that is 9. Let us see what is happening here. Now I am showing the trick. Put two lines on the right side. Multiply the equal digits, that is 9. 9 into 9, 81. Put it here in the right side. After that we will multiply 2 into 8, that is 16. Now what we will do here, we will add the equal digit, that is 9 to 16, which is equal to 25. Now go for another multiplication. 38 into 78. We will multiply 8 and 8, that is 64. Now we will multiply 3 and 7, that is 3 multiplied by 7, 21, and we will add 8 to that. 21 plus 8, that is equal to 29. Now I will tell you a general rule which I call IXI rule or no condition rule. That is, you can apply it to multiply any two-digit number with two-digit number. Let us take 23 and 12 and we will put I, X and I here. From right side, I, X and I. Now we will multiply. First we will multiply along this line 2 into 3, that is 6. Then we will multiply this crisscross way and last we will multiply this line along this line. Now write 2 into 3, 6. Then 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. 4 plus 3, that is 7, and we will put 7 here. Now we will multiply 1 into 2, that is 2, and put this 2 here, and our multiplication is done. Then what I did, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 equal to 7, put 7 here, and 1 into 2 equal to 2. Our multiplication is done. It is general rule. You can apply for any two-digit number. Now, our next example is 81 into 35. Just write here 81 multiplied by 35. I am just putting I, X, I. Okay. Now multiply. Now multiply. 5 into 1, we will write here 5. Now our cross multiply 5 into 8 plus 3 into 1 equal to 40 plus 3, that is 43. Look here, I put 3 here and 4 above the line. Now I will multiply 8 into 3, that is 24, and add this 4, 28. Done. Tell you again. Just multiply 5 and 1 equal to 5. Now multiply 5 into 8 plus 3 into 1, that is 40 plus 3, 43. I will put 4 for carry and 3 here. Now multiply 8 into 3, that is equal to 24 plus 4 equal to 28. That's so simple and super quick.